sanibonani kuseni. Mlalele umsakazo Music Gavins FM Channel 33 with Bombele umkenenezo umphefumulo lasithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. Injani kodwa emakhaya niyaphila namhlanje umhla ka-26 February 2026. Total victory, ukunqoba okupheleleyo komuntu. Isikhathi 7 minutes. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Oh my God, isikhathi sambile. Abantu ngiyazi sebeseyindleleni manje kuyiwe emsebenzini, kuyaplanwa ukuthi kuzothikilishwa kanjani imisebenzi. Sithi abantu abavuke babe ngokukhanya emhlabeni, babe ngusawoti emhlabeni, babe ukukhanya ezweni. Yes. But ke uNkulunkulu usigcinile, siyambonga nje ngololu suku asiphe lona oluhle kangaka. Nkosi yami, uNkulunkulu nje uyasithanda, angikusho lokhu. Uthando kithi, kusinika i-chance nje asakhe, and then asinika i-chance ukuthi sibe ne-dominance or noma sibuse. Kuwumusa, ubaba omuhle lona ovumela abantwana ukuthi babe ne-domain la bazo-exercise ama-abilities abo. So it's a great honor really to be umntwana kaNkulunkulu. Yes, sithi nje uNkulunkulu anigcine, anipha amandla, anisibekele, abe nani nje sisaqhubeka kulezi ndawo, lezi ndlela esikhuluma ngazo. Because siyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usiphathise izinto ezinkulu, wafaka izwi lakhe kithi, and sikumele ukuthi libe ngumuntu lelizwi, njengoba sithi izwi laba ngumuntu. Sikuthatha laphana kuJohn, incwadi kaJohani chapter 1. Mawuyifunda leyo ncwadi uyathola ukuthi izwi lalikhona ekuqaleni, ukusho ukuthi nawe uqalwe izwi. Laba kuwe, nawe kuzomela ube kulo ukuze lithathe image yakho. We know ukuthi uNkulunkulu usiphile futhi amandla ukuthi lizwi liphumelele. Njengoba sifunda nje, but ke niyaphila kodwa America, ngiyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu nani, sinabahlobo bethu kuyo wonke lama continent. uNkulunkulu asinike wona ukuthi sishumayele kuwo, sihambise indaba lezi ezinhle, ngoba umuntu uyisidalwa sikaNkulunkulu futhi uyazi ukuthi udingani at what time. Kuhle njengomzali kumntwana wakhe, uyazi umngane ukuthi manje kufanele idle, kufanele igqoke. So uNkulunkulu usiphethe kanjalo, usiphethe ngenceba. Ubani ongasisusa kuya? Khona umhlabelelo othi akunanto engangisisusa othandweni likaNkulunkulu, ngoba ngistuck kuye. I-umbrella cord yami noma inkaba yami ikuye, so ngiconnecte kuye, akekho ngangisusa kuye. Siyabonga kakhulu. Asia niyaphila, Europe, Africa yonke. Siyazi uNkulunkulu ukhona kuyonke indawo and unigcinile nje. Ekseni sithi ke ake siyibuke le ndaba kaJoshua, siqhubeke nayo, even though ke ngizoyijomba manje because ngifuna sibuke amandla ezwi, ngoba uJoshua into engithanda ngaye ukuthi wayemthemba uNkulunkulu futhi walithemba izwi lakhulunywa kuye. Ubuke nje ukuthi ube i-instrument engakanani uNkulunkulu eyisebenzisa bezongena kuleli i-town yase Jericho. Kwakunezindonga ezi-serious. Uma bezisho bathi abafundi history bathi I think isize yakhona is about 4 meters ububanzi bawo, and then ubude angisazi ubani. so into kanje ungangalula ukuthi zingawo, and kuthiwa maseziwa zashona phansi. Hey my God, uyabona ukuthi mawuhamba noNkulunkulu use ukuye njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi fanele ube sendaweni engcwele, ukhumula imbadada zakho, because uma ungamile kokwakho uqonda izinto ziyenzeka, because umume understandeni noma ume ezweni kaNkulunkulu kwenzeka ama-miracles ongakazi wabone, and uyakwazi ukuwabona recognize nama-spirit beings around you uNkulunkulu awa-asayinile for the assignment akunikeze yona. So kuthiwa lezi zinto ngavele zashona phansi, but no one was touching those walls kumabantwana Israel neJoshua. They were just going around and carrying a trumpet and a horn, and then ngosuku lesikhombisa, and then they blasted, they made a joyful noise, but uNkulunkulu sinikile le ndawo. So kwase kubona ukuthi ke bayalalela yini ukuthi ngoba uthe uNkulunkulu abashise konke kusale igolide i-treasure. Kusho ukuthi remember ukuthi sisasho eqaleni ukuthi izwi laNkulunkulu alifake kuwe liyikho konke kuwe, liyingcebo ukuthi lento kaNkulunkulu iyafuna ukuthi ulalele yena until kuze ufike kwi-final stage la ingcebo izokwambuleka kuwe, uyibone udle kulo ngoba sidla kulo izwi, siphila kulo, sigqoka kulo, so likho konke kithi, understand. So nalaba ke kwafanele bashise yonke into, and then they had to keep promise ke babenzile ngo-Rehab. So they did that and they destroyed everything. Then they had to collect a golide. Hey, my God, mighty God, uNkulunkulu unamandla. But now I want us to look here, balaleli ku chapter 10. We're gonna jump to Joshua chapter 10, because I want us to see, because remember to Joshua was now in the promised land. Now kufanele bapossesse ama lands, now possessing the lands, which is the standing or the dominion, it had to be exercised now. So they had to take lands and they had to face kings. So now to face a king, you must be a king. and ukunqoba kwakho kufanele ube inkosi enamandla kuphekwa le nkosi ekhona. So lokho kwenziwa ke our thinking pattern ukuthi i-faith yethu based on what. So uJoshua wayebuke kakhulu izwi likaNkulunkulu elibuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthe le ndawo yabo. So he was meditating in that word, and amakhosi lawa ayebhekana nawo ayesenkingeni ngoba uNkulunkulu wayelwela uJoshua. Remember ukuthi fanele wazi ukuthi izwi elifakwe kuwe yilo elwalo that fights for you, elikulelwayo. Oh my God, my Zulu, I don't know what's going on. So lilo eliba isikhathi sakho, and likunika ama strategies. So once you tap into that word, remember, you must always remember ukuthi now you are backed up by the angelic beings ongeke wabona uma ungekho kuleli izwi uNkulunkulu asebenza ngawo, because they are these spirit beings. Ngeke siqamba manga ukuthi awekho. We have ama witnesses about that. And then we let us look at chapter 10 ngoba kuthiwa lana wayebhekene namakhosi ayisihlanu ngaseGibhiyoni. Ake sizwe ukuthi what happened, because I want us to see sizoqala la ku chapter 10 sibona amandla ezwi likaNkulunkulu ukuthi uma umuntu omeditatayo and alikholwe izwi kwenzakalani kuwe. So let us read. Kwathi lapho uAdoni Sedeki inkosi yaseJerusalema esezwile ukuthi uJoshua uthathile i-Ayivi waliqeda nya njengalokhu ebenzile kulo iJericho nenkosi yalo, wayenza njalo kulo i-Ai inenkosi yalo, nokuthi abakhileyo eGibhiyoni benzile ukuthula noIsrayeli baba phakathi kwabo. Besaba kakhulu ngokuba iGibhiyoni lalingumuzi omkhulu njengomunye wemizi yamakhosi, nangokuba lalikhulu kune-Ai, onke amadoda alo engamaqhawe. So ngalokho u-Adoni-Sedeki inkosi yaseJerusalem wathumela kuHohamu inkosi yaseHebhroni, nakuPhiramu inkosi yaseJerimuthi, nakuJafiya inkosi yaseLakhishi, nakuDebhiri inkosi yase-Igeloni, wathi, "Khuphukelani kimi nginisize sichithe iGibhiyoni, ngokuba lenzile ukuthula noJoshua nabantwana bakwa-Israyeli." Ngalokho amakhosi ayisihlanu Amori inkosi yaseJerusalem, nenkosi yaseHebhroni, nenkosi yaseJerimuthi, nenkosi yaseLakhishi, nenkosi yase-Igeloni ahlangana akhuphuka wona nawo onke amabandla awo amisa malungana neGibhiyoni alwa nalo. So amadoda aseGibhiyoni athumela kuJoshua ekamu laseGiligali athi, ungayekethisi isandla sakho ezincekwini zakho, shesha ukhuphukele kithi usisindise, usisize, ngokuba onke amakhosi ama-Amori akhile ezintabeni asihlanganyela. uJoshua esekhuphuka, look now impi engaka, amakhosi ayisihlanu, ukhumbula ukuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu angazi ukuthi ngingalichaza kanjani, because kuba nama-forces are very strong, but uNkulunkulu is aware of those things, and God tests his word and uyazi ukuthi futhi izwi lakhe alinqoshwa. Now look at these people now, bazohlaselwa amakhosi amathathu and anamaqhawe adumile. So now he is the man uJoshua esetshelwa, and he's the one who's carrying the word of victory, because fanele sambe nenqondo yokuthi leli zwe seliphethe linqobile. Uma ubona sometimes uxakeke uthothi uyacanga ukuthi konje kuzodliwana ekhaya, you know those things ezisiwarishayo ingane mhlawumbe ihloniphi, but ke ukhohle ukuthi uphethe izwi eline presence kaNkulunkulu, izwi elinobukhona bukaNkulunkulu elinqobayo, izwi elinakho konke. So going in the word, or going with the word of God, ayikho into engakuvimba. Let's look at now Joshua ke wabafikela uJoshua wayesekhuphuka eGilgali, yena nabo bonke abantu bempi kanye naye, nawo onke amaqhawe anamandla. uJehova wathi kuJoshua, ungesabi, ngokuba ngibanikele esandleni sakho, akuya kuba khomuntu wabo ongema phambi kwakho. That the message esiqhubayo kula emsakazweni, ukuthi ungesabi, uNkulunkulu ukunikile izwe. Nisho lokho kubone ngathi kuyakuhlupha, kunikeliwe kuwe, kuzokuseva. Bathi God ikona okuzokupha isinkwa semihla ngemihla. uNkulunkulu uthi nawe. And then when you read now, let's read uJehova uthi akuba khomuntu oyakuma phambi kwakho. uJoshua wabafikela ngokuzumayo, wakhuphuka eGilgali ubusuku bonke. uJehova wabangquzula ngaphambi ko-Israel. Look, Jehovah is fighting these people. That's what is happening. You know, when you are in the word, God fights for you. When God protects you, God deals with anything that is against you. It doesn't matter ukuthi into enjani, uNkulunkulu uyakulwela. So I'm looking at now ukuthi ke wabaxosha. uJehova wabangquzula ngaphambi kuka-Israyeli, wabaceka ngokuceka okukhulu ngaseGibhiyoni, wabaxosha ngendlela ekhuphukela eBhethi Horoni, wababulala kwaze kwaba se-Azeki. Kwathi besabaleka u-Israyeli behla eBhethi Horoni, uJehova wawisa phezu kwabo amatshe amakhulu ehla ezulwini, baze bafika e-Azeke bafa. Babe baningi abafa ngesichotho kunababulawa ngu-Israyeli ngenkemba. You see what's happening here? Hey my God, I want us bazalwane bafowethu bodadewethu ukuthi izwi kaNkosi lithathe serious. uNkulunkulu mayethi I have called you, ngikuchuzile. Sike sisho sithi akekho umuntu ongabiziwe, akekho umuntu ongachuziwe. For the fact ukuthi la emhlabeni, that means you were chosen for an assignment ethize, and you need to step into that assignment. Once you step into it, you meditate kulo and hear izwi ku-assignment ukuthi izwi lithini kulo, and then you go and as required, and uzobona uNkulunkulu ekulungisela izinto ebizibona zi-stress eziza kuwe, but uNkulunkulu avela ayilungise. He can do anything. Buka nje lana u-Israel, okay, wahulwa ngenkemba, but into abantu abaningi babulawa isichotho. uNkulunkulu ebashaya ngamatshe. And ubone ukuthi hey my God uNkulunkulu muhle, uthembekile, and fanele sime. Nje now for this time sizogcina la, and then sizoqhubeka futhi in the afternoon ntambama sikhulume ngayo le ndaba ukuthi ke kwenzakalani, because kunesimangaliso engisibonile senzeka after that esizokhuluma ngaso ntambama. So nilalele ntambama kwi-afternoon drive siqhubeka ngale ndaba kaJoshua. uNkulunkulu abe nani, anigcine, anisibekele, anilondoloze. Lalela umsakazo Music Garments FM. Umkenenezo womphefumulo, la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu. May the Lord shine anikhazimulise. God bless you. I'm gonna see you in the afternoon drive. We love you.